dynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relation, the collision of organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the principle of a subject. You hear that theoretical evidence.
You think about subliminal messages in entertainment media.
All matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have
emotions, personality, and motivations, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, personality, and motivations, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself